They say to you, you should solve for x given this equation. So what do? First, let's focus on the expression on the left. So we have 4 to the power of x minus 1. All we have to do now is to focus on this base. So the base 4, we can write it in an exponential form of 2 to the power of 2. Since 2 to the power of 2 is 4, we'll have open bracket 2 to the power of 2, close bracket. So what remains outside the bracket is x minus 1 is equal to, so on the right hand side, we're still going to write 8 in an exponential form since we have 8 to the power of negative 1. So 8 in an exponential form, we know that is going to give us 2 to the power of 3. Since 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8, and then we close, and outside we have minus 1. And then as we go to the left hand side, we are going to apply what we call the power of a power whole, whereby the exponents which are outside the bracket are going to be multiplied by the exponent which is inside the bracket. So in this case, we have 2 which is inside the bracket is going to multiply with x and minus 1. We're going to write down our base, which is base 2, and then we're going to take our exponent, which is 2, and then we open the bracket to indicate that this 2 multiplies x minus 1, close bracket. This will be equals to, similarly on the right hand side, we're going to apply the power of a power whole, whereby this 3 will multiply with this negative 1. So we write our base as 2, and then we're going to say 3 multiply with negative 1. Then we go to our left hand side, we still write our base 2, and then we then multiply this 2 with x. We're going to have 2x, and then we say this 2 multiplied by negative 1. We're going to have negative 2 is equals to, even this side on the right hand side, we have base 2, and then we multiply 3 with negative 1, which will give us negative. And then looking at this, we can see that our bases are the same on both the left and the right hand side. So we have base 2, we have base 2. So all we have to do is to equate our exponents. So on the left hand side, our exponents are 2x minus 2 is equals to, so on the right hand side, the exponent is negative 3. And then we can just group the like terms. In this case, we have 2x without the like term will be equals to negative 3. So the like term of negative 3 is minus 2. So minus 2, when we take it to the right or transpose it to the right hand side, is going to be positive 2. So we will have 2x is equals to negative 3 plus 2 will give us negative 1. Then we divide by 2 on both sides since you are looking for x, not 2x. So this cancels that. And the value of x will be equals to negative 1 over 2.